Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Education LD. Today we will be going to learn the use of could not in the sentences. Let's start today's video. I hope this video will help you to improve your English. So now let's start. Could not का प्रयोग भूतकाल में किसी कार्य को नहीं कर पाने या किसी चीज़ के संभव ना होने का वर्णन करने के लिए किया जाता है, जैसे कि मैं वहाँ नहीं जा सका. So now let's understand the use of could not with some examples. Let's start. I could not find my keys this morning. मुझे आज सुबह अपनी चाबियाँ नहीं मिल पाईं. I could not find my keys this morning. Next. She could not attend the meeting yesterday. वह कल बैठक में भाग नहीं ले सकी. She could not attend the meeting yesterday. Next. We could not complete the project on time. हम परियोजना समय पर पूरी नहीं कर सके. We could not complete the project on time. Next. He could not understand the instructions. वह निर्देशों को नहीं समझ सका. He could not understand the instruction. Next. They could have reached the airport in time. वे समय पर हवाई अड्डे तक नहीं पहुंच पाए. Next. They could not reach the airport in time. वे समय पर हवाई अड्डे नहीं पहुंच पाए. They could not reach the airport in time. Next. I could not hear what he was saying. मुझे नहीं सुनाई दिया कि वह क्या कह रहा था. I could not hear what he was saying. Next. She could not help him with his homework. वह उसकी होमवर्क में मदद नहीं कर सकी. She could not help him with his homework. Next. We could not go on the trip due to the rain. बारिश के कारण हम यात्रा पर नहीं जा सके. We could not go on the trip due to the rain. Next. He could not afford to buy the new phone. वह नया फ़ोन खरीदने का खर्च नहीं उठा सकता था. He could not afford to buy the new phone. Next. I could not make it to party last night. मैं कल रात में पार्टी में नहीं पहुंच सका. मैं कल रात पार्टी में नहीं पहुंच सका. I could not make it to the party last night. Next. She could not believe the news. वह खबर पर विश्वास नहीं कर सकी. She could not believe the news. Next. I could not sleep last night. मुझे पिछले रात नींद नहीं आई. I could not sleep last night. Next. They could not find the solution to the problem. वे समस्या का समाधान नहीं ढूंढ पाए. They could not find the solution to the problem. Next. He could not attend the wedding due to a meeting. वह बैठक के कारण शादी में नहीं जा सका. He could not attend the wedding due to a meeting. Next. I could not finish my work on time. मैं अपना काम समय पर पूरा नहीं कर सका. I could not finish my work on time. Next. We could not hear the announcement clearly. हम घोषणा को स्पष्ट रूप से नहीं सुन सके. We could not hear the announcement clearly. Next. She could not stop laughing during the movie. वह फिल्म के दौरान हंसने से खुद को नहीं रोक सकी. She could not stop laughing during the movie. Next. I could not understand why she was upset. मैं ये नहीं समझ सका कि वह क्यों परेशान थी. I could not understand why she was upset. Next. They could not solve the math प्रॉब्लम। वे गणित की समस्या हल नहीं कर सके। They could not solve the maths problem. Next, he could not reach me on the phone. वह मुझे फ़ोन पर संपर्क नहीं कर सका। He could not reach me on the phone. Next, we could not afford to buy a new car. हम नई कार खरीदने का खर्च नहीं उठा सकते थे। We could not afford to buy a new car. Next, she could not wait for her friends to arrive. वह अपने दोस्तों के आने का इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकी। She could not wait for her friends to arrive. Next, I could not get a ticket for the concert. मुझे कॉन्सर्ट का टिकट नहीं मिल सका। I could not get a ticket for the concert. Next, they could not agree on the plan. वे योजना पर सहमत नहीं हो सके। They could not agree on the plan. Next, he could not remember where he left his wallet. वह यह याद नहीं रख सका कि उसने अपना बटुआ कहाँ छोड़ा। He could not remember where he left his wallet. Next, I could not find the right words to say. मैं कहने के लिए सही शब्द नहीं ढूंढ सका। I could not find the right words to say. Next, she could not meet the deadline for the project. वह परियोजना की समय सीमा से नहीं मिल सकी। She could not meet the deadline for the project. Next, we could not afford the rent this month. हम इस महीने का किराया नहीं चुका सकते थे। We could not afford the rent this month. Next, I could not believe how much he had changed. मैं ये विश्वास नहीं कर सका कि वह कितना बदल चुका था। Next, they could not attend the event due to illness. वे बीमारी के कारण कार्यक्रम में भाग नहीं ले सके। They could not attend the event due to illness. Next, he could not believe his eyes when he saw the gift. जब उसने उपहार देखा तो वह अपनी आँखों पर विश्वास नहीं कर सका। He could not believe his eyes when he saw the gift. Next, we could not find any parking space. हमें कोई पार्किंग की जगह नहीं मिल पाई। We could not find any parking space. Next, she could not come up with a solution. वह कोई समाधान नहीं निकाल सकी। She could not come up with a solution. Next, I could not stop myself from eating the cake. मैं खुद को केक खाने से नहीं रोक सका। I could not stop myself from eating the cake. Next, they could not finish the race. वे दौड़ समाप्त नहीं कर सके। They could not finish the race. Next, he could not explain the situation clearly. वह स्थिति को स्पष्ट रूप से समझा नहीं सका। He could not explain the situation clearly. Next, we could not find our way in the dark. हम अंधेरे में रास्ता नहीं ढूंढ सके। We could not find our way in the dark. Next, she could not take the criticism well. वह आलोचना को अच्छी तरह से सहन नहीं कर सकी। She could not take the criticism well. Next, I could not get any sleep last night. मुझे पिछली रात कोई नींद नहीं आई। I could not get any sleep last night. Next, they could not get through the traffic. वे ट्रैफिक से नहीं गुजर सके। They could not get through the traffic. Next, He could not attend the meeting due to a conflict. वह संघर्ष के कारण बैठक में शामिल नहीं हो सका. He could not attend the meeting due to a conflict. Next, we could not manage the situation properly. हम स्थिति को सही तरीके से संभाल नहीं सके. We could not manage the situation properly. Next, she could stop crying after the movie. फिल्म के बाद वह रोने से नहीं रुक सकी. She could not stop crying after the movie. Next, I could not finish reading the book. मैं किताब पढ़ना समाप्त नहीं कर सका. I could not finish reading the book. Next, they could not make it to the airport on time. वे समय पर हवाई अड्डे नहीं पहुंच पाए. They could not make it to the airport on time. Next, he could not fix the broken chair. वह टूटी हुई कुर्सी नहीं ठीक कर सके. He could not fix the broken chair. Next, we could not hold the event because of the rain. बारिश के कारण हम कार्यक्रम आयोजित नहीं कर सके. We could not hold the event because of the rain. Next, she could not help but feel sad. वह दुखी महसूस करने से खुद को नहीं रोक सकी. She could not help but feel sad. Next, I could not believe she was leaving. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था कि वह जा रही थी. I could not believe she was leaving. Next, they could not afford the luxury vacation. वे लग्जरी छुट्टियों का खर्च नहीं उठा सके. They could not afford the luxury vacation. Next, he could not find any job offers. वह कोई नौकरी का ऑफर नहीं ढूंढ सका. He could not find any job offers. Next, I could not concentrate on my studies. मैं अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान नहीं लगा सका. I could not concentrate on my studies. Next, they could not make a decision without consulting. वे परामर्श किए बिना कोई निर्णय नहीं ले सके. They could not make a decision without consulting. Next, she could not get along with her colleagues. वह अपने सहकर्मियों के साथ नहीं बन पाई. She could not get along with her colleagues. Next, I could not understand the technical terms. मैं तकनीकी शब्दों को नहीं समझ सका. I could not understand the technical terms. Next, they could not agree on the subject. They could not agree on the budget. वे बजट पर सहमत नहीं हो सके. They could not agree on the budget. Next, he could not believe she said that. वह यह विश्वास नहीं कर सका कि उसने ऐसा कहा. He could not believe she said that. Next, we could not decide on the location for the meeting. हम बैठक के स्थान पर निर्णय नहीं ले सके. We could not decide on the location for the meeting. Next, she could not stop thinking about the incident. वे घटना के बारे में सोचने से खुद को नहीं रोक सकी. She could not stop thinking about the incident. Next, I could not see anything in the fog. मैं धुंध में कुछ नहीं देख सका. I could not see anything in the fog. Next, they could not reach an agreement on the matter. वे इस मामले पर सहमति नहीं बना सके. They could not reach an agreement on the matter. Next, he could not remember where he placed his glasses. वह याद नहीं रख सका कि उसने अपने चश्मे कहाँ रखा. He could not remember where he placed his glasses. Next, We could not meet the expectations. हम उम्मीदों पर खरे नहीं उतर सके। इसी के साथ हमारा आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन टाटा, बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड यस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। बाय बाय।